Hey everybody, today is Friday, December 23rd, 2022, and we're outside of Hilltop Hamburgers here in Sanatoga, Pennsylvania, one of my most favoriteest places in the world to get food. I grew up going in here. This is one of the greatest places in the area, in my opinion, to get any kind of food. It's gone through many different ownerships over the years, including right now it's a completely different owner than it was last time I was out here. But my mom, when she was little, used to work here, and then when I was little, my mom used to actually bring us out here all the time. So this place does hold a very special place in my heart. I'm out here with John. We're about to get some food. We're actually gonna go. Oh my God! It's like 20 degrees out right now. The wind is making it feel much colder. It is insane right now. But anyway, like I said, when I was a kid, I used to come out here all the time with my mom. My mom used to work here when she was little. This place has been around since like the 40s or 50s. Pretty awesome, pretty cool. This sign, it's not the original sign. They had this big, huge original like neon sign. It was really amazing. It got in really bad like disrepair though. They tore it down, but they put up another sign that looks very similar to the original sign. Up top, there's actually an ice cream cone on top of the building. How cool is that? And there's all kinds of neon around the building as well. It's really awesome. I would love to show you more of the outside of the building, but I can't feel my fingers right now. I'm thinking before I get frostbite, we should probably actually head inside because I can't. Oh my God, the door was actually like, oh my God. Oh, stomp your feet. Oh my God, it's so incredibly cold out there right now. Wow, hey, how's it going? So you can see originally there's actually a photo of what this place I think originally looked like. There used to be, yeah, over here there's a photo of what this place originally looked like back in like the 40s or 50s. Look at this. As you can see, it was a much smaller little area right here. But what's really awesome about this is that you can actually see the original like outline of the building where the counter is now. This is the actual like original foundation of the building. You see it slopes. That is so cool. You can see how the actual building originally stood here, which is really amazing. I like that. I like the fact that the actual like original shape of the building is still actually here. And of course they built onto it over the years, building this whole windowy alcove here. There's a whole, we holding hands now? there's a whole like dining area over there, which is really cool. So like I said, I've been coming out here ever since I was a little kid. My mom used to bring me out here all the time. My grandparents used to live right down the street, and we'd always stop here to eat either, we're gonna get some food here then. So we always come out here to get some lunch or some dinner. It was awesome. They had the best hamburgers here. I loved eating the burgers here when I was a kid. But like I said, they've actually gone under new management. The owners here, they actually shut down the place during COVID. Right before COVID, they were thinking about maybe possibly shutting down, and they went, no, hold on, we're gonna stay in business. And then COVID came and they went under, and then they had new owners actually come out here and open up. Oh, we can sit back, it's fine. So they had new owners actually take over the place. Now they serve pizza here, and they serve some newer foods here. They have a newer menu now, but the food here is still pretty darn good. I love the burgers here. They make these really good burgers. Really, like they toast the buns. So good, so delicious. And the pizza is actually pretty good as well. In fact, I'm trying to debate now. Do I want to get pizza today for lunch, or do I want to get a burger today for lunch? I'm not entirely sure. I was going to go with a burger, but now I'm seeing the pizza, and I'm thinking maybe possibly pizza. I'm going to have to figure that one out. So look at this. They have this awesome Ghostbusters game here. I want to play this. I love me some pinball. I've never played the Ghostbusters pinball. The original owners who, again, owned this place when I was a little kid. John's got quarters. The original owners who owned this place when I was a little kid, they used to have arcade games here. And then when the newer owners took over, they got rid of all the arcade games. And I was so bummed out about that because I used to love playing the arcade games as a kid. And now the new owners have brought arcade games back. That is so cool. You gonna play some pinball maybe? Hershey's ice cream here. They used to have Nelson's ice cream. Now they have Hershey's ice cream. That's the only downfall. I kind of enjoyed Nelson's ice cream a little bit better, but I love this place. Again, it's Hilltop Hamburgers here in Sanatoga, Pennsylvania. One of my most favorite places to come to when I was a kid. Still holds a very special place in my heart today. I love coming out here. Look at this. They've already set up a table for us to eat at and everything. The Christmas tree here is awesome as well. They used to have an amazing jukebox that used to sit right here. When I was a kid, we used to play all kinds of music on the jukebox. I remember like as like a teenager, I would be that jerk who would come here and play like I'd find the loudest, most craziest rock song I could possibly find and play it on the jukebox as a kid. I love doing that. Sean, you walking in? What are you doing? Did John just go into the women's bathroom? I think John just went into the wrong restroom. These restrooms used to actually be, back in the day, used to be outside the building. In order to get to them, they were on, again, original, like, this is the original building. You can see, like, right here where this crack is. This is the original building, from right here over, the original outside of the building right here, which is pretty cool. And the bathrooms were actually built onto the back of the building, so you used to have to walk all the way around the back of the building to use the restrooms back in the day. So really awesome. You see again, like original walls. Again, you can see the original right there, how the original foundation came out. That is so awesome. That is so cool. I love this place just so incredibly much. I've been wanting to show this place off to you for a while now. And that's what it used to look like back in the day. Look at that. Culver's, the ice cream cone on top and everything. Way before my mom worked here, or even before she was born. Back in, like, I think it was like the 60s or something like that. My mom used to actually work here. She used to serve food. So my mom would bring me in here. She'd always tell us stories about how she used to serve food here. Apparently the waitresses used to have to carry like these trays on their arms just full of food, I believe she used to tell me about. I know my mom's gonna watch this video, so Mom, if I'm getting this information wrong, please tell me any information I get wrong. But she used to work out here, used to be a waitress out here. So awesome, so cool. I'm starving right now. I'm so incredibly hungry. While Jen's in the bathroom, we're gonna go. Now that I'm warmed up a little bit, we'll go back outside for a second, freeze again, because I want to show you more of the outside of this place. Again, the neon up there is so awesome, and I love the fact that they kind of redid the original retro sign. If you guys look up Hilltop Hamburgers online, I know you can find pictures on Google of what the original sign used to look like. It was all done. I'm like salivating, I'm so hungry. It was all done in neon. It was so awesome, so cool looking. But it's really awesome that it wasn't these owners. I can't talk anymore. I'm so cold now. Why did I come back outside? I don't know. But not these owners, the owners before it. They actually redid the sign. A lot of the community was kind of upset, but I think they think that, oh my God. I think they did a good job reproducing the sign in a more modern sort of way. I don't know why I walked back outside. This was a horrible idea. As you can see, it's so cold, so windy. Again, I love this place, it's awesome. All right, we're gonna go back inside. I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna order some food now because I am starving. Again, do I want pizza or do I want a burger? I'm thinking burger. I think I'm gonna go with a burger today. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I need a nice, juicy, delicious burger. They have all kinds of stuff on the menu though. There's all sorts of things here you can get. They actually do breakfast here now, which is pretty cool. They didn't used to do that. But I'm thinking today it's gonna be a burger. John is still using the restaurant. I'm curious to see what John gets. I think John said he had never eaten here before. I think that's what he said. They have like steak sandwiches. I mean, seriously, the menu is just loaded with all kinds of awesome, delicious things. I'm so tempted to get one of everything. I'm so hungry right now. Is that John? Is he coming back? No, that's not John. John's not back yet. I don't know. I'm thinking burger today though. I really want to talk to John and see if he's what he's getting. And I want to see if he's actually ever eaten here before. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with a burger. I'm just gonna ramble on until maybe John possibly comes back. They used to do a big right here every year. Remember, there was always a big white, this incredibly tacky white Christmas tree. It was a white Christmas tree with pink ornaments on it. I miss the white Christmas tree with pink ornaments on it. But what I do love is the fact they actually still have the tables here with these like mid-century boomerangs on them. I've always loved these tables. As far as I remember, they've always had these tables. I can't remember a time when they didn't have these tables. I mean, maybe when I was a little kid they didn't, but as far as I remember, there was always these amazing mid-century boomerang tables. These are so cool. In fact, when this place actually went out of business and before somebody else took them over, if they were gonna tear this place down or they were gonna like renovate this place and rip everything out, I was going to ask if I could actually have one of these tables. Luckily they saved them. They didn't get rid of these, which I think is so cool that they kept the tables. By the way, John is still in the restroom. He hasn't come back yet. John must not be feeling too well this morning or something like that. But all right, guys. So again, here at Hilltop Hamburgers in Sanatoga, Pennsylvania. Awesome, amazing place. I love it. It's so delicious. It's so fantastic. I'm gonna get myself a burger. Like I said, I love the fact that you can actually see the original. Look at this. You can see the original like wood under there and whatnot from the actual original structure of this building, which I think is so incredibly awesome and amazing. Somebody who loves old architecture, somebody who loves like the 40s and 50s. I just love it here. All right, anyway, John's still in the restroom. We're gonna end this video now because I'm not gonna go on and do a 20-minute video. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna get some food. I'm starving, I'm hungry, so definitely come out here, check out Hilltop Hamburgers in Sanatoga, Pennsylvania. You will not be disappointed. The food is delicious. And I'm gonna go get some of that I can't even talk. I'm so hungry right now, brain is not only shutting down because of the cold, it's also shutting down because I haven't eaten yet today, and it's like 2:30 in the afternoon, and I'm starving. So, all right, guys, again, thanks for watching. So as always, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Check down below for links to Patreon. If you guys do become a patron, I will send you a postcard every single month from the road. Also, check down below for a link to Spreadshirt. We can grab yourself retro rest stop for, you can pick yourself up retro rest. I can't think. You can pick yourself up retro rest stop t-shirts. Proceeds both from Spreadshirt and from Patreon. Do good help putting gas in Vanderbilt and in Pumpkin, so we can come out to fun, interesting places like this. You can hear me ramble on and stumble because I'm hungry and I'm really, really cold. So, all right, guys, again, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you guys do hit that subscribe button, you will see me in tomorrow's video. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.